How to create a group email in Gmail. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up these steps. So if you're on an Android phone, you can download this application called Google Contacts, this one right here, and go ahead and install it. After that, open it up on your screen. And then once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. Now what you can do is simply create up a label or a group first. In order to do so, right beside your email address from this interface, you should be finding a level icon. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on it, tap on new label. So just go ahead and type in new level and create a level name and click on OK. Once that is done, you can go ahead and add contacts. So just go ahead and tap on the group, and tap on the add option at the very top, or you can use the plus icon in the bottom left right corner. Let's head over and tap on the add option and go ahead and add contacts. And then once you've added contacts, you will be finding it right here. Now all you gotta do is once you've created your group, you can just go ahead and text them together. Otherwise, what you can do is you can close your contacts application and head over to Gmail, and then just go ahead and compose an email and type in the group's name, and you should be able to do it and create up a group on your Google account. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.